Hello, Sam from Atlan Stormwater. My role is technical sales. We're out here today at Barry Street in Bayswater for the installation of our 4 AtlanVaults and our filtration cartridge system. A really simple installation, just 8 lifts, 4 lifts for the modules and 4 lifts for the lids. We've got 3 modules in at the moment. The installers are doing a really brilliant job making sure everything's absolutely perfect. Been a really fast installation. Only been here, it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning yet, and we've already got 3 of these systems in, 1 more to go, and then all installed by the end of the day. Benefits of the AtlanVault system for this project, we've been able to incorporate our AtlanFilter system for the stormwater treatment. So we're combining the stormwater treatment and detention all in the one system, reducing the footprint for both the tank and the system, giving a nice, simple, compact solution for this project.